Check out those icicles, baby. It's a freaking whiteout. Check it out. Snowing big. Oh yeah, baby, it's storming big and govy, and this is how we do it. Nothing like 6-foot snow drifts higher than the railing. Massive. This is one of the most insane snowstorms I ever seen. I already scooped this out today, but look at that. That's outside my back door. You're talking 15 feet back there. The video don't do it justice, but getting out of here is almost impossible. Look at that. That's easily 4 feet deep of snow. Anyway, if the camera gets shaky, I'm just trying to get to the hard pack. Oh, jeez. This is insane, guys. This is about the gnarliest I've ever seen it. Holy cow, man. Check this out. They've been pushing piles that big for hours. I don't know where they're getting all the snow. That's actually an army one. Look at that. Camouflage army rig. Check out this tunnel to get out. This is gnarly, guys. You can't tell, but there's the wall. That's 4 to 5 feet almost of snow. It's gnarly. I'm gonna climb out of here. Check this out. The head's higher than the roof. There's so much snow. Check this out. I'm looking down on Ellis's rig, and I'm walking on about a 4 feet base of snow. Check this out. Oh my God. This has snowed so much in just the last 2 hours. Look, his rig, it ain't going nowhere. He tried earlier. 4-wheel drive ain't getting you out of there, that's for sure. This is insane. Look at that, guys. To try to get in my house, there's the little doorway I just come out of. My rig's not actually looking too bad, but look at these drifts. This is insane, guys. Well, guys, we've been without power for 6 hours. We finally got power back, so I'm heading into work. Conditions are insane. Timberline and meadows are closed. The winds are out of control. These snow plows have just been pushing all day. They can't keep up. Look at that big army rig. Camouflage army rig. Yeah, baby. All right, guys. If you guys enjoy my content, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Until the next one, Mountainous out. Oh, yeah. Next week, I'll be digging 6 to 8 hours of snow just so I can get in and out of my house. Woo!